Why is my vision getting worse so fast, and why it getting worse rapidly? It was all clear until it wasn't. One day you are reading text from 3 feet away, and the next you are squinting like you are trying to read through fog. What gives? You didn't age overnight. You didn't fall into a radioactive blue light. No, my friend, you probably triggered accommodative spasms, which is your eye muscles are stressed out from way too much screen time. Your eyes are just tired. They need rehab, not glasses. Your eyes have muscle memory, and right now it's glued to your laptop. Let's break it down. Your eyes have muscles, just like your arms. And what happens when you hold a dumbbell curl too long? You cramp, you ache. Same thing here. Staring at a screen for hours causes your oculomotor muscles and ciliary muscles to lock up, like your eyes are stuck in a permanent zoom-in mode. Stress rapidly deteriorates eyesight. Your eyes are incredibly sensitive, packed with over 2 million working parts, and directly connected to your brain through the optic nerve. So when stress hits, it doesn't just stay in your mind, it shows up in your vision too. Emotional or physical tension can cause your eye muscle to tighten, leading to blurred vision. Eye fatigue and even light sensitivity, it's like your body's fight or flight mode forgets to tell your eyes to relax. Many people report eye twitching or visual disturbance during high stress periods, especially when combined with long hours of screen use. Simply when your mind is overwhelmed, your eyes pay the price. Reducing stress through eye relaxation technique, mindfulness, and better screen habits can go a long way in easing that strain. Stretch it out with light eye exercises to break the cycle. Start simple, diagonal eye stretches. Yes, diagonals are like yoga for your vision. Look up, left, right. Slightly hold each for 3 seconds. Do this relax and slowly. Do it like your eyes are sipping herbal tea at a spa. You need to recover your eye muscle flexibility. When your eye muscles relax, your focus improves. Introduce clear vision habits. Your eyes deserve better vision. Isn't just about sight, it's about habits. Every 1 minute, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Blink every second. Set screen brightness to match room light. These are micro habits with macro impact. Remember, you are not born with bad vision habits, they downloaded from the screens. Good news, you can uninstall them. Palming and eye yoga, meditation. But make it optical. Wrap your palms together, close your eyes and gently rest your eyes under palms over your eyelids. This is palming, and it's like a weighted blanket for your optic nerve. Combine it with gentle eye yoga movements afterwards, and you got a recipe for visual calm. Fun fact, Dr. Bates, yes, the guy behind the Bates method, used palming as a way to reduce eye tension naturally, and tons of people doing it today. This sunning trick your great-grandma probably knew. Stand near a window, close your eyes, and gently face the sun. Let that warm light filter through your lids. This stimulates the retina without direct UV exposure and helps reset your circadian rhythm too. Cold water on the face, like a coffee for the eyes. Splashing cold water on your closed eyes several times a day reduces inflammation and helps revitalize blood flow. It's one of the fastest ways to wake up tired, dry or foggy vision. It's the reason spa treatments always include cool eye compresses, and now you are got one built in at home. Widen your visual field to reduce strain instantly instead of staring straight ahead. Practice peripheral awareness. Sit in a relaxed position. Gaze gently at a point in front of you and slowly tune in the sides and the edges of your vision, your entire peripheral world. This stretches the mental field of vision, helping you shift out of intense focus mode and reducing eye muscle strain. Eyesight suddenly got worse. This is irreversible. You didn't suddenly become old. You just got caught in the modern trap of overfocus and under-rest. The fix? Light eye stretches, clear vision habits, screen breaks, blinking every 1 second, eye yoga, sunning, palming, cold water splashes. Your eyes aren't broken, they're tired and stressed. Time to reset. Your vision didn't fail, you just need some care. Think of this as a rehab for your eyeballs. You done juice cleanses. You tried digital detoxes. Now give your eyes the refresh they've been screaming for. Start today and you might just see the difference by the end of the week.